I'll show you how I design these custom Lego-style bricks in Tinkercad. This method won't give you the most perfect brick ever made, but it's quick, versatile, and great for learning the tools. Along the way, we'll explore the Align tool, Duplicate and Repeat, Union Group versus Bundle Group, and the handy Cruise tool. Let's build a simple 2x1 brick. This will be our basis for later. Make a box, 7.8 by 15.8 millimeters, height 9.6. Now add the underside hole. Make it 5 by 13 millimeters. Depending on your printer or slicer settings, it may need to be 0.1 or 0.2 millimeters wider or narrower. Set the hole height to 7.8. Now select both shapes and use the Align tool, center them in X and Y. Instead of Union Group, we'll use Bundle Group. This keeps the shapes separate but makes them move as one. This will be useful later on. Now let's create the studs. Make a cylinder 5 millimeters across and 1.7 millimeters high. Again, depending on your printer, that 5 millimeters might come out slightly bigger or smaller. Duplicate it, move it to the side, and type in 8 millimeters for precise spacing. Select both studs and bundle group them. To place the studs on the brick, use the Cruise tool to snap the group to the top. Select all, and with the Align tool, center them in both X and Y. Now they're perfectly placed. Bundle group the whole thing once more, then make a copy. This will be useful later. Finalizing the brick. Before printing, switch from bundle group to union group. I like to ungroup completely, then union group everything again. That way it becomes one solid piece and changes to a single color. And there it is, a neat little 2x1 brick. Want a longer brick? Easy. Take a copy of your bundle group 2x1, duplicate and repeat, and move each copy by exactly 8 millimeters. Keep repeating until you get the length you want. Then ungroup everything and union group to finish. Now for a 2x2 brick. Start with the same 2x1, duplicate and move it 8 millimeters to the side, then bundle them. You'll see a slight gap because the brick width is 7.8 while the pitch is 8. To fix this, duplicate and rotate the set by 90 degrees. After that, ungroup several times, then union group, and the gap disappears. You now have a perfect 2x2. Once you know the trick, you can make any brick. Combine two existing ones, align them at a corner, ungroup, then union group to merge. Or get more creative. Stick shapes on the sides, combine shapes at odd angles, make flat bricks and mix with non-Lego models. The possibilities are endless. That's it, your own Lego-style bricks made in Tinkercad. Try the tools, experiment with dimensions, and share what you build. Don't forget to subscribe for more Tinkercad, 3D printing, and Makerspace tips.